welcome back to Mz.Bam. It's my life, and today we're recording our first video with the new camera, and I can't tell y'all how excited I am to be using this new camera thanks to the hubby. He came through, so I'm gonna get some more videos with better quality. I know that has been an issue, but y'all, we finally got our lives together. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on this new mixer I got. My old one died and went to mixer heaven, as all appliances do when they get used a lot. You know, that little white mixer got me through, hand mixer got me through a lot of rough moments in my life. But now I have upgraded to another Black & Decker hand mixer. Now y'all, I had a Black & Decker mixer before. And I'm just going to tell y'all, that thing was amazing. I kept it and I used it about twice a week for over 3 years. So when it died, I cried and I said, R.I.P. 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 Just hit the club. I'm back. She's back. She's back. So today we're going to be opening, this is an unboxing of the new one that I got. I had another one that I just picked up. I think it was from like either Walmart or something. That was like a white one. It was really inexpensive. It lasted for about a year. So this morning I had to go out and buy me another one so that I could get these videos popping for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I got up early this morning and went to the store to get some stuff so I can do some videos. So let's see what this mixer comes with. So it is the XL Capture Snap on case. It comes with a case, so you can put everything together in the case. It has 2 professional styles beaters, 2 dough hooks, and a chef whisk. It comes with a 2-year warranty. And I'm going to say, if your product comes with a warranty, please keep all your paperwork and fill out the warranty and send it in, because you never know what could go wrong. Because I think at Walmart, you only get like 90 days, 30, 15 days, depending on what it is. So yeah, make sure you keep your warranty. So this is the beater. This is good for making like when you're doing like whipped cream or you're doing a custard with egg. This is perfect, honey. And then we got our 2 professional, if I can get them out the bag, singing in the background. 2 professional, you know, what are they called? Beaters, style beaters. And these things are pretty heavy and sturdy. They're bigger. They're made a lot better than the first one I had from a couple years ago. You know, every couple years they redo products and they just take them up a notch. But this is really good. So you got your dough hooks. So these are good if you want to make dough, like biscuits or bread, and you don't have a regular stand mixer. These are perfect. So let's pull her out. Okay, so this is the stand. I mean the holder. Put everything in here. So I guess when you get through using everything, to keep up with it, you just place it in here. This is really good so you can keep everything together. I'm not mad about that, honey. The old one used to come with a case. I really did like the case because it just made it a lot sturdy. It kind of did take up a lot of space, but I love the case because I used to travel with it. Like whenever I would do like private parties, or I would do certain things, or I would have to travel to like do birthday cakes out of town and stuff, I would, you know, put it in the case. So the case was really handy. What I would like to say is that this one is made a lot better than the first one I had years and years ago. You can definitely see they took their time with the redesign of it. It seems more sturdy. It's a lot heavier. I'm just ready to see what it does. It's a 5-speed. It has turbo. You can never go wrong with that. The card is nice, black. I think I'm going to be digging this. So this is the Black & Decker blender. Versatility 5-speed blender. I am not mad about this. Now, one thing I do, because we are military and we do travel and move a lot, I keep my boxes. I always keep my boxes because if anything ever gets broken and it's not in its original box, it's really hard to get a claim with it. So if you're military or you're a GS employee who travels and moves a lot, keep all your boxes, just store them. Because when you put your things back into the boxes that you originally had them in, it's easier to make a claim. Also, I try to keep the receipts to like high-end products that I buy in the boxes, so if something is damaged, I can claim for how much it is. They're never going to give you the price, but if you have a receipt to prove the price, it makes it a lot easier to get your coin back, okay? Because these movers be tripping, okay? So yeah, I'm back. So we're going to be using this blender today. We're going to be making some vegan brownies and some blueberry muffins. So we're going to see how this look, see how this works. And after I finish making a couple items with it, I'm going to come back to this video and let y'all know what the tea is. Okay, honey? I'm going to let y'all know. I like this. It's pretty sturdy. Alright. And this mixer was $24.99 at your local Walmart. Plug. And this video is not sponsored. See you guys back here later.